little bit of your taste in my mouth. Still a little bit of you lace in my towel. Still a little hard to say what's going on. Still a little bit of your song in my ears. Still a little bit of your words I long to hear. You step a little closer to me, so close that I can see what's going on. Storms taught me to fly. Love taught me to lie. Life taught me to die. It's not hard to fall when flow like a cannon. Storms taught me to fly. Love just taught me to cry. So come on, courage, teach me to be shy. 'Cause it's not hard to fall, and I don't wanna scare her. It's not hard to fall, and I don't wanna lose. It's not hard to grow when you know that you just don't know.